Do you think you have to have 20% down to buy a home? I'm going to share with you today 3 ways that you can buy a home with no money down. That's right, no down payment. The first is going to be through a VA loan. If you're a veteran, if you're an active service member, or maybe you're in the National Guard, then you would qualify for a VA loan. Those are done through the Veterans Administration. They have a whole process. They'll give you a certificate that you would present to the mortgage officer to show that you qualify for a VA loan. The great thing about VA loans are they require no down payment. You can finance up to 100% of the purchase price, and they also have no private mortgage insurance. Second way you can buy a home with no down payment is through the USDA Rural Development Program. This is a program, again, that's federally funded. It was put into place for people in rural areas to help them achieve home ownership. So there's no down payment requirement, but there are income limits, so you can't make above a certain amount of money per year in order to qualify. And there are going to be eligibility requirements for the property as well. So as a realtor and the loan officers as well, we have access to a website where we can go in and check the address to see if it's located in a rural development eligible area before we take you out to see it. So those programs also require zero money down. The third way is if you use an FHA loan coupled with a THDA loan. And I know that's a lot of different letters and initials for you there. But FHA is a Federal Housing Administration. Again, it's a federal government funded loan. THDA is the Tennessee Housing Development Agency, and that is our state funded grant program. So THDA will actually give you 5% that you can use that money towards your 3.5% down payment with FHA, as well as have some money to pay towards your closing cost. So if you use FHA with THDA, you wouldn't have to make a down payment out of pocket. Now, I'm not going to tell you that you can use these programs to buy a house with no money out of your pocket, because you're still going to have to take into consideration earnest money. You're still going to have to talk about paying for a home inspection, a credit report, and probably the appraisal as well. But avoiding the down payment, that's usually a large chunk of money. So these programs will allow you to purchase a home without a down payment.